Here's a standard one, and here's a Tonkatsu, a little bit thicker. Yo, Chris Blair here from Beers in Japan. I'm with my buddy Kevin. If you watch any of my videos, you know exactly who he is. He runs Kuma's Kitchen. In my opinion, the best, absolutely the #1 best recipe cooking show on YouTube. You should go check it out. We're about to try Katsudon. Tell them what Katsudon is, man. Katsudon is like one of the most popular lunch, even dinner dishes here in Japan, but especially for lunch for salarymen. We'll let Kevin here explain to you what Katsudon is.
Yeah, so Katsudon, basically, well, katsu and don, two different things. Katsu is cutlets. It's from the French word, I think the French word cutlets or something like that, which are breaded pork and they deep fry and all that, really delicious. And then don is anything with rice underneath. So what they do here is actually just serve it up with rice. Actually serve it up separate, which is great. You put it on the rice yourself. There's lots of good juice. You're gonna see it's really delicious. And in this case, huge choice of all the different things we can have with our Katsudon.
That's kind of unusual. Usually it comes on rice right from the beginning. If you ever saw, I did a video previously about gyudon. Here, this is gyudon. This is the #1 most popular dish. Right, this is how all these things started, and this is what we're going to eat today. So it's the same thing. Don means like a bowl with rice and then whatever's on top. Here's the menu, guys.
Here we go. Kimchi cheese Katsudon, right, that one there.
Right, I'm gonna get the tokuros, I guess.
Now you're buying some tokuros too.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. I am buying. Wow. Because this is the new, it says it's a new teibon. So right here, this one right here, it says it's a new teibon. Teibon means like main dish, the main recommendation. I'm gonna get that and tokuros.
All right, so you see it comes separate, right? That's fantastic. It's coming in this little, this thing's hot. That's why they put a wooden handle on here. Do not touch that. The copper is hotter than hell. So you got the bowl of rice, and then you just pick through here. Mine's got kimchi and cheese, and so just grab some meat, some cheese, put some of that on there. You can leave some in here so it stays nice and hot. Grab yourself a spoon, throw a little bit of that juice on there, on the rice. That is absolutely delicious. I think I'm gonna throw another piece of meat on there. Look at that. I got lots in here. This is the tokujo. Toku means special, and this is like good. I mean, what I mean by special is this is a nice thick cut. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Are we ready? Here we go. So then I just grab a little bit of meat there. It's a little hot, but delicious.
This looks like the best Katsudon I've ever seen, to be honest. I'm surprised. I wonder why this place does it separately. Because normally I'm telling you, it always comes with the main dish, whatever it is, on top already. Why didn't they do it separate here?
Well, I like it this way because it stays good and hot. Now, it's great for most people. I'm what we call nekojita, cat tongue. Means you can't, you don't eat hot foods well. It's the same we have here. If somebody can't eat hot foods, they call it nekojita. That's me. I'm like, cool down a bit, will ya? But it's fantastic because you can eat slowly if you want. You can enjoy your meal, and it's not going to cold on you because that's holding a lot of heat in there. So I think that's the reason I do it separately.
Okay, this is mine. I'm going to enjoy it.
All right.
This is Chris from Beers in Japan. If you're liking this content, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Click a like or comment on this video because this really helps the algorithm show this is popular. It'll help me out a lot. If you have any suggestions for any videos, please write below. I have actually several videos, like 3 or 4 videos I've done from comments, from viewership. So cheers, and we'll see you next video.